ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahananda. I am a physics faculty working in Wari Medical Academy. Now I will explain the capacitors is connected in series and parallel combination time. How we can find out the effective of the capacitance and effective of the parallel combination time of the effective capacitance. Now capacitor combination. Now capacitors combination is the first we will choose the capacitors is connected in series combination. Series combination. If you any two capacitors or more than two capacitors we will connected at the series combination time, the effective of the capacitance how to we can find out. Now I will explain. Now three capacitor plate is connected in series combination with battery. This is the first capacitor C1, second capacitor C2, third capacitor is the C3. This is the battery. Battery potential is the capital V. The battery of the positive terminal and battery of the negative terminal. Each capacitance is the two plates having, one is the positive plate and another one is the negative plate. These positive plate of the charge plus Q, these negative plate of the charge minus Q, and C2 capacitance of the positive charge plus Q, negative charge minus Q, and C3 capacitance of the positive charge plus Q and negative charge of the minus Q. Now the battery of the potential is passing through the capacitor plates C1 and C2 and C3 continuously up to reaching of the battery negative terminal. That time these three capacitors is the connected in series. Effective of the capacitance value how to we can find out now. See, if you want effective capacitance value means first series time the potential are the different. Each capacitance is the different potential. First capacitance of the potential is V1 and second capacitance of the potential is V2. Third capacitance of the potential is V3. Generally capacitance formula is the C equal to Q by V. Now if you any series combination time, the capacitance of the charges all capacitors are same only. All capacitors charge same. Now this capacitor of the charge is equal to the battery of charge. Now first capacitance of the potential how much means V1 I need. Now first capacitance, first capacitance of the means potential is the C1 is equal to charge is the same, means what, Q by potential is the V1. Now V1 is equal to Q by C1. Second capacitance, C2 is equal to the charge Q by potential of the second capacitance is V2. Now potential V2 is equal to the Q by C2. Third capacitance, C3 is equal to the Q by V3 of the third capacitance of potential. Now V3 is equal to the Q by C3. Now already I told the battery of the charge is equal to the capacitors of the charge is same. Battery charge is equal to the capacitor's charge. Now the potential is the battery of the potential is V is equal to the summation of the individual capacitor of the potentials. V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now V means C equal to Q by V. V equal to what means Q by C. Q by C. This C is the effective of the capacitance. C effective is equal to the V1 means Q by C1 plus V2 means Q by C2 plus V3 means Q by C3. Now here all are the common is the Q effective, Q by C effective is equal to the Q common outside 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now Q cancel. Now 1 by C affected is equal to the 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. These are the effective capacitance in series combination. If you suppose these capacitor plates is n number of the capacitors, n number of capacitors means 1 by Cs capacitors is connected in series combination 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus and so on 1 by Cn. If you suppose two capacitors are connected in series, two capacitors means 1 by Cs is equal to the 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Here 1 by Cs is equal to the LCM is the C1 C2 plus C1. Now reciprocally Cs is equal to the C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. two capacitors is connected in series. Suppose these capacitors are the identical capacitors. Identical capacitor. C1 is equal to C comma C2 is equal to C, means CS is equal to the C into C by C plus C, means C square by 2C is equal to C cancel, means C by 2. If you n number of the identical capacitors, means CS equal to C by n. If you capacitors is connected in the series combination, the n identical of the capacitance is the CS equal to C by n. If you capacitors in series combination time, what is the potential of the first capacitor plate and what is the potential of the second capacitor and what is the third capacitor of the potential? Now we will discuss. Two capacitors is connected in series. Each capacitance of the how much potential? Now we will discuss. Battery is connected with the two capacitors, capacitor C1 and capacitor C2. First capacitor of the charge Q1, second capacitor of the charge Q2, battery of the positive terminal, battery of the negative terminal. Battery of the potential is V. First capacitance of the potential is the V1. Second capacitance of the potential is the V2. Now, if you two capacitors is connected in the series combination time, the capacitors of the charges are equal, same charges. Charges are equal. Now, charge Q1 is equal to the Q2. Everyone we know capacitance formula C equal to Q by V. Now Q equal to CV. Now here Q1 means first capacitor of the charge Q1. First capacitor is C1 into V1 is equal to Q2 means second capacitor of the charge C2 into V2. Now cross C1 by C2 is equal to the V2 by V1. Take both side plus 1. Take both side plus 1, means now here C1 by C2 plus 1 is equal to the V2 by V1 plus 1. Because of this plus 1 is converted to right side, means positive 1 and negative 1 both are cancelled. Now LCM is the C2. C1 plus 1 into C2. C2 into 1 means C2 is equal to the, next here V2 LCM V1. V2 plus 1 into V1. V1 into 1 V1. Now here coming to point. The potential of the each different capacitors is the first capacitor of the potential V1, second capacitance of the potential V2 is equal to the battery of the potential V equal to V1 plus V2. Now these V equal to V1 plus V2, my substitution in the above equation. C1 plus C2 by C2 is equal to the, here V1 plus V2 replaced V substitution, V by V1. Now first capacitor of the potential I need V1. Cross multiplication means V1 is equal to the Vc2 by C1 plus C2. Means first capacitor of the potential V1 is equal to the V by C1 plus C2 into C2. This is the first capacitor of the potential, and second capacitor of the potential V2 means similarly V2 is equal to the V by C1 plus C2 into C1. This is the second capacitor plate of the potential. This is the explanation of the, if you any capacitors we are connected in the series time, the each capacitor how much potential is maintained means first capacitance of the potential is V equal to V by C1 plus C2 into C2. Second capacitor of the potential V2 is equal to V by C1 plus C2 into C1. Capacitors is connected in parallel. If you any capacitors is connected in parallel, the effective of the capacitance value how to we can find out. Now I will choose 3 capacitors. Now 3 capacitors is connected in battery in parallel connection. First capacitance C1, second capacitance C2, third capacitance C3. Battery positive terminal, negative terminal, battery of the potential V, and first capacitance of the charge Q1, second capacitance of the charge Q2, third capacitance of the charge Q3. If your capacitors is connected in the parallel connection means that time the capacitance of the potential all are the same. Potential are same. Potential are same. If your potential are same but the charges are different. First capacitor of the charge Q1, second capacitor of the charge Q2, third capacitance of the charge Q3. Battery of the charge is Q. Now the summation of the charge is equal to the individual of the charges. Now capacitance general formula C equal to Q by V, Q equal to CV. Now here my first charge of the capacitance Q1 is equal to the C1 into V. Second capacitance, this is equation 1. Second capacitance Q2 is equal to the C2 into V, equation 2. Now third equation Q3 is equal to the C3 into V, equation 3rd. Now this here the battery of the charge Q is equal to the summation of the individual of charges Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Now Q means Q equal to CV. C means effective of the capacitors, CP effective into. Here Q1 means C1 V plus C2V plus C3V. Here V is the common term. C effective V is equal C1 plus C2 plus C3 into V. V cancel. C effective is equal to the C1 plus C2 plus C3. If you three capacitors is connected in parallel combination is the C1 plus C2 plus C3. If you suppose n number of the capacitors, n number of capacitors, Cp equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus and so on Cn. If two capacitors Cp equal to C plus C means C 2C. These two capacitors are identical capacitors, means C1 equal to C comma C2 equal to C. If you suppose n number of the identical capacitors, Cp is equal to the n into C. N number of the capacitors is connected in the parallel combination. That capacitors is the identical capacitors, means Cp equal to Nc. These are the explanation of the if you capacitors is connected in the parallel combination. If you suppose the capacitors is connected in the parallel time, what is the charge? Each charge how much they have, how much having in each capacitor? Now we will explain. Now two capacitors is connected in the parallel. With battery. Battery of the potential V, charge Q. Now here first capacitance C1 and second capacitance C2. First capacitance of the charge Q1, second capacitance of the charge Q2. First capacitance of the potential V1, second capacitance of the potential V2. But in capacitors we are connected in parallel time, the potentials are same, means V1 is equal to the V2. Are same, means V1 is equal to the V2. Now if you parallel connect at time, each capacitance how much charge having, now we will find out. Generally capacitance C equal to Q by V, V equal to Q by C. Now here V1 means charge of the Q1 by capacitance of the C1 is equal to the Q2 by C2. Both side take plus 1. Now Q1 cross multiply, Q1 by Q2 plus 1 is equal to the C1 by C2 take plus 1. Now these plus 1 converted to the right side means minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, remaining that one. Now LCM is the Q2 Q1 plus here Q2. 1 into Q2, Q2 into 1, Q2 is equal to the, here LCM C2, C1 plus 1 into C2, C2 into 1, C2. Here the battery of the charges Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. Now substitution in the above equation, Q by Q2 is equal to the C1 plus C2 by C2. Now each capacitance of the charge in it. First Q2 charge how much means cross multiplied, Q2 is equal to the Q by C1 plus C2 into C2. This equation is the second capacitor of the charge Q2 equal to Q by C1 plus C2 into C2. Q is the battery of the charge. Similarly, Q1 is equal to the Q by C1 plus C2 into C1. This equation is the first capacitor of the charge Q1 is equal to the Q by C1 plus C2 into C1. Q is the battery of the charge. These are the explanation of the capacitors is connected in series and parallel combinations. Thank you for watching this video.